In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Saski AI on your website. We're starting in the dashboard here. We're going to go to Go Live on the sidebar. And then for website, we're going to select Publish. And then we're going to enter our website's URL and select the assistant we would like to deploy on this website. And select Personalize Assistant. This takes us to a page to personalize the chat widget that will be connected to our website. First, we have a heading, a subheading, placeholder text, and a welcome message. For these fields, I've entered the name of my assistant, a subheading, placeholder text to appear in the submission box, and then a welcome message. We can click Live Preview to see these things in action. So here's my heading, my subheading, my welcome message, and the placeholder text. Next is the assistant appearance. So this is the chat widget image. This is what's going to appear on the chat box on your website. I'm going to select this little message bubble. I can see the live preview of it right here, what it's looking like. So I've changed this to some on-brand colors. Next, I'm going to upload the assistant avatar image. This is going to be an image for my assistant. So I'm going to go ahead, upload this image of a girl, since my assistant is named Bethany. And then next, this is the user avatar image. This is going to be the image for the chat bubble of the customer. Once I've done that, you can click Live Preview again to see what it looks like. So here is my assistant avatar, and here is my customer avatar. Next is the assistant position. So this is going to tell where the chat widget is going to appear on the website. We have the top right corner, the bottom right corner, top left corner, bottom left corner, center left, and center right. I'm going to choose the bottom right corner. I can also adjust the spacing here for more customization. And then I'm going to customize the theme. This is another place where I can make my assistant more on brand by changing colors. Once I've changed the colors to my brand colors, I'm going to select Save Changes. And then I'm going to look at the live preview again to make sure that it looks how I want. And then I'm going to select Publish. Once I've published my assistant, I have two ways to deploy this on my website. Both of them are going to require copying the embed link, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The first way is via adding a WordPress plugin. So here I'm in the WordPress plugin store, and I've searched for the Saski AI integration. I'm going to install now, then activate. And in the widget token field, I'm going to paste my embed link and click Save Configuration. Now I can click View Frontend and Test Widget. Here's my chat widget in the bottom corner, and I can pull it open and make sure it has my welcome message, and I can interact with it to ensure that it's responding in the way that I'd like. The second way to deploy your Saski AI widget on your website is with an embedded code. So I'm on my website build here, and I have an HTML code block. I'm going to paste the embed link, and then once I hit preview, I can see the chat widget is down here in the bottom corner in the same way that it is whenever I use a plugin. Thank you for joining me to learn how to deploy your Saski AI assistant on your website. Join me in the next video to learn more about our other integrations.